Mastering adverbs of manner in simple tenses. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the world of English grammar, focusing on the exciting topic of adverbs of manner in simple tenses. We're going to take a close look at how these adverbs work and how they can add depth to your sentences. So, let's start our journey. Adverbs of manner are words that describe how something is done. They often answer the question, how? For example, in the sentence, she reads quickly. Quickly is an adverb of manner because it tells us how she reads. When using adverbs of manner with the simple present tense, the adverb usually comes after the verb or the object, if there is one. For example, he speaks softly. Adverb after verb. She loves him dearly. Adverb after object. Similarly, when using adverbs of manner with the simple past tense, the adverb should also follow the verb or object. For example, they played energetically. Adverb after verb. I missed you terribly. Adverb after object. In the case of the simple future tense, again, place the adverb of manner after the verb or the object. For example, we will work efficiently. Adverb after verb. He will love her deeply. Adverb after object. Note that there are exceptions to these general rules. Some adverbs can be placed at the beginning or the end of the sentence for emphasis. For example, quietly, he entered the room, or she will arrive soon. And there you have it. You've now learned about using adverbs of manner with simple tenses. Remember, the key is to understand where to place them in your sentences. This knowledge will allow you to express yourself more effectively and colorfully in English. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using adverbs of manner naturally in your conversations. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!